Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUA AIO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUA AIO won't turn on, you're not alone. This can happen due to a faulty power supply, a dead motherboard, or even issues with the internal connections. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started with the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge. First, ensure the AIO is unplugged. Carefully turn the device over and remove the screws from the back casing using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Inside, you should see the internal components clearly. Look for the power supply unit, which is usually located near the power connector. If it appears burnt or damaged, that's likely the culprit. To remove it, first disconnect the cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly later. Be gentle with the connectors, as they can be fragile. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the power supply to the chassis. Once it's free, set it aside and replace it with the new power supply, securing it in place with the same screws. Reconnect the cables according to your notes from earlier. Before closing everything up, it's a good idea to double-check all connections and ensure no wires are pinched or improperly placed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened securely but don't over-tighten them as that may crack the casing. Finally, plug your AIO back in and try to turn it on. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your ASUA AIO. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your device is kept in a clean environment, free from dust and moisture, and regularly check for any signs of wear on the power cable. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.